Welcome to the step-by-step video for filter maintenance on the Rhythm Healthcare LM5BA stationary oxygen concentrator. Filter maintenance is critical to ensure your device continues to perform at the optimum level. In this video, we will cover the air intake filter, inlet filter, and bacteria filter. Let's get started. Items you'll need. Number 1, Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, diagonal pliers, needle nose pliers, replacement cable ties. Intake filter, LM5BA-ITF. Inlet filter, LM5BA-ILF. Bacteria filter, LM5BA-BF. First, ensure the unit is unplugged from the AC outlet. Remove the humidifier bottle to avoid damage, since the unit will need to be placed face down for servicing. Next, remove the intake filter from the rear panel. It should be cleaned weekly using water and a mild detergent. Note it should be completely dry before reinstalling. Replace the intake filter between patients, or if it becomes torn or damaged. Lift out on the locking tab and remove the rear panel. Then remove the inlet filter by lifting on the unattached end, pulling it outward. Inspect this filter between patients and replace it if needed. Otherwise, it should be replaced every 3 years. Place the unit face down on a work table, using a mat or cardboard underneath to prevent scratching the case. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws from the handle, followed by the 4 screws in the corners. Push the inlet filter receptacle inward to allow the case to be removed. Gently separate the clamshell covers several inches to gain access to the AC power cord. Press the locking tab on the AC power cable connector, then pull to release. You can now open and position the 2 covers next to each other. It's helpful to position the rear cover upright due to the transfill port line. The bacteria filter should be replaced during any compressor servicing. To remove, cut both cable ties and pull the tubing off the bacteria filter fittings. It's helpful to stage the cable ties and place over the tubing. The bacteria filter can be installed in either direction. Slide the tubing onto the bacteria filter and secured with cable ties. Then cut off excess. Install the rear cover by aligning with front cover at the top handle section, then the side handles, and leave the bottom open to access the AC power cord connector. Reconnect the AC power cord. Make sure the connectors securely latch together. Make sure the AC power cord is pushed inside to prevent pinching. Then, close the case. Install the 4 screws in the corners of the case. Then the 3 in the handle. Reinstall the inlet filter, rear panel, and intake filter. Finally, reinstall the humidifier bottle. Thank you for viewing.